Let me talk to you a little bit about IDC events, because they're an important part of what we can provide to both the vendor community and the end user community. We roll around the Asia Pacific region a series of events across the course of a year. These events are run because what it does, it enables us to be able to share what emerging technologies are coming over the horizon in the ICT, and what it enables vendors to do is to sponsor into these events to be able to share with their customers what technologies are rolling down the line, how they can be supported by the vendor community to be able to help assist, plan and deploy IT solutions.
I'm Chris Morris. I'm the lead analyst for cloud computing and services for the Asia Pacific region for IDC. And I'm here today to speak about how we're beginning to adopt these new technologies that are called cloud computing as our IT spending accelerates after the economic slowdown of 2008 and 2009. And the cloud really has generated quite a lot of confusion amongst customers in the last 2 years. Our agenda today is set up to provide a lot more clarity for our customers, to help them make the right decisions or to understand how they might set up a process to evaluate the many cloud-based services that are being offered by the vendors who are appearing on the panels today.
As an organization, we have been working with IDC for quite some time, and we have been into a lot of events organized by IDC in the past in various different regions, and we have seen quite a bit of success. We see quite a bit of customers coming and talking to us during the sessions. IDC, one of the leading firms in the analysis of how the technology is adopted and with the customers and how the customers are behaving in the market. And it gives us a lot of confidence that our thinking and our solutions in the market kind of align with the analysis itself. And it is very good for us that in tune with that analysis, we can take solutions to our customers as well.
There's a lot of hype about cloud, and I imagine a lot of interest in a conference like this, certainly for myself. But I thought today has been very good. I'm finding the IDC Cloud Conference to be very insightful and also very balanced. And I think balanced in that we're hearing about the risk of cloud computing, but we're also hearing about the exciting opportunities. And insightful, I think what I found interesting was hearing about the behavioural change that's happening, the transformation, because cloud's not a technology, it's not a product, it's a different way of doing something, and it makes a lot of sense. So sure, you need to manage the risk, but also you need to seize the opportunity, and I think that's been very well covered here today.
It's been actually 4 years that I've been working with IDC, not only in Australia but as well as in New Zealand and across Asia Pac. For Australia and for New Zealand, our relationship with IDC has been strategic. A lot of the events that we have participated are very strategic in terms of the data center play, the cloud environment, and the CIO summit. As well as we also like to have a lot of CIO roundtables that we organize with IDC, and IDC allows us to have a third-party opinion about the marketplace in whether we talk about security, whether we talk about data center or the cloud. It gives us a good pull to have executives come and listen to Novell's product strategy.
For IDC, it's important because we can share a lot of insight, we can share a lot of our research into these forums because it's current, it's relevant and it's robust. We're a relied source around the world and particularly here in Australia as a trusted source of information. So it enables us to showcase our analysts, showcase our research and to be able to help support and guide both the vendor and end user communities.